Hi everybody, I'm here to show you how I did my balayage, sorry. Pretty much all I did, just brush it in, do it super thick on the ends. That's how you do it, and then you brush it in, and then at the top, you brush it upwards, like backcomb it, to make it blend in better. So, and wear something that you're gonna get messy. So I just used this little paintbrush that goes in the box. This is the color I use. It's Colorista semi-permanent color. I did it a couple weeks ago and washed my hair like 4 times. Did it like super light, and it came out just rose gold, just like I wanted. And it only lasted probably 5 shampoos, which is kind of sad. So I did it a little darker this time. This is actually Burgundy 20, which I use, and I mix it with biotin collagen thickening conditioner. It's healthy-ish, and I probably do a cup of the conditioner with maybe a tablespoon of this time to make it darker. I don't know if you can see it or not, but yeah. P.S. I forgot to tell you, I leave this in 20 to 30 minutes. You're supposed to leave it in for 35, but because most of it's already been in the whole time I was doing it, which I'm pretty slow, so I leave it 20 to 30 minutes, probably more like 25, and yeah. So this is it done. It's been dry for a couple hours and curled. It's a little redder here. I guess I accidentally did a little darker there, but this is it all done. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, it's pretty much what I wanted. I'll show you some more pics of it in the natural light.